Happy Mail Queen. Happy Thursday to everybody. Today I have some Merry Mail to share with you guys. Oh my gosh. I was surprised. Jen, who is Strawberry Cream 39. Hey girl, thank you so very much. My husband had picked up a package and I didn't know it was for me. So it was a pleasant surprise. So thank you so much, girl. You did not have to do this. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so this was a surprise. So you guys, look how pretty all her packaging is. Oh my gosh, girl. Now I feel like I need to step it up with your package. And you weren't supposed to send me anything. Oh my gosh. Girly. Okay. Anyway, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Let me go ahead and just start with this first. So, how cute is all your packaging? First of all, look how cute this is right here. Where did you get this? This plastic tin. It's so cute. It's like a little pail. And then look at her tag, you guys. It's so adorable. Gingerbread Kisses and Holiday Wishes. She stamped it on this charcuterie board, and I'm not sure. Oh, I love that font. So this is really, really pretty. So thank you so much. This is such lovely packaging. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let's see. I think I have to undo the bow here. This is so sweet, Jen. Oh my gosh, girl. Seriously. I'm behind on my Merry Mail. I was supposed to send you something last week, which I was trying to. But something happened. I can't remember. I just got busy with something. And so it got pushed back. So anyway, I will be sending it tomorrow. Oh my gosh, look at this. How cute. I just have to show you guys. Even her wrapping paper. Oh my god, wrapping paper. How cute. Look at this box. Oh my god. Okay, Jen, I know you like oh, this is so cute. It's a gingerbread pair of earrings. Oh girl, this is so stinking adorable. So there is I think it's a male and female, because this one has a hat and then this one has a little bow on her head. How cute. I will definitely wear this, girly. This is perfect because I am wearing red for Christmas, because that's my favorite Christmas color. And that'll go perfectly with, I'm not like getting all dressed up, but I'm wearing jammies. I have these new jammies that I'm going to be wearing. So cute. Oh my gosh. Did you make this? It's like MDF or something. I think she made this. This is so cute. I haven't even altered any of my gingerbread wood pieces, because I haven't had time. Oh my gosh. And look at this. How cute. I love this. This has to be one of those dies, right? Where you can do the folds. Is it one of those dies, or did you just make it your own? I don't know, but it's so pretty. And Jen she works with a lot of pastel colors. This is so cute, girl. Like your bags. Where'd you even get all this this wrapping? I love it. This is actually, it's not wrapping paper. It's a baggie. It's like a lunch bag, but in this pretty. I love that. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love it, girl. You know I love doing my nails, and it's been like looking so bad, like all my videos, and I finally got to do my nails, and I'm like super happy. And I don't have any Mickey ones. Oh, I love it. I can't wait to use this one. Okay, this will be like my New Year's nails. Thank you so much. It's adorable. And then she has this, and look at her bow. Super cute. I think this is a KS Craft bow, right? Maybe? I think so. So cute with a little dollop of whipped cream there. And then this is definitely KS Craft, I know. That is so cute. I love all your little tags, girl. That's one thing I haven't really been making that much is tags. Super duper cute. And this is her policy envelope, and it's you know, it's a, I did a tutorial on this once. So cute. It's a box policy envelope. And look, another one of those bags that I love. Okay, and then there's her washi. I like whipped out all my washi too, girl. My Christmas washi. I've been using it. Oh my gosh. This is so sweet. Thank you so much, Jen, for thinking of me. And girl, you did not have to. I'm like, oh my gosh, why? Why did you send me stuff? Trader Joe's. Ooh, candy cane, dark chocolate. Oh, thank you. I'm so happy it's dark chocolate because I have been so bad. Seriously, I gained like a couple of pounds since Thanksgiving. Yeah, because I've been baking cookies. That is so good. Ooh, I haven't been to Trader Joe's in forever. This is so cute. I love it. And I know this paper. It's that one from Michael's, right? Or no, it's from Joann's, I think. Super cute. Thank you so much, Jen. And first of all, I should probably open this one. I should open this first. And look at her seal. This was a pleasant surprise, girly. Ah! Thank God this is not the one I put in your package because I almost gave you like this mug. This is so cute, Jen. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas and best wishes for a very happy 2023. I'm so glad that we've become friends through our love of crafting. Yes. Thank you, Jen. I love your card. So pretty. And then she has this package right here, which can I just say, I love this bag right here. I love it. I'm actually going to go out and get some bags today because I realized I've used up all my bags just wrapping my kids' gifts. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I still have a few that I need to wrap. And I need some really fun, cute bags like this one. This is so perfect. I love this bag. Okay, she has this on lockdown, you guys. It's like, hold on one sec. My nails can't do it, and I don't want to ruin, this is the handle of the bag that she knotted. So let me undo it so I do not mess up this bag, because this bag will be reused because it's so pretty. Okay. So first of all, let's look at your tag. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at this tag. It's so cute. Okay, what paper is this? Because this is just too adorable. Gingerbread cookies. And look at that. There are the ingredients. I love this tag. Oh my gosh, girly. I'm going to have to put this in my recipe book. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then here is another present. Oh my gosh, girl. This is too much. You didn't have to do this. She has it bubble wrapped and everything, and I love this. How come I haven't seen any of these gingerbread paper? What is this? Tissue paper. Oh my gosh. I'm dying, you guys. I'm dying. Look at this. Ah! Okay, where did you find this? Did you find this at Marshall's or something? Because I did not see any of this from TJ Maxx. So you're going to have to tell me. This is so stinking adorable. I love it so much. Thank you, thank you. And thank you. I almost got another cookie cutter because I couldn't find my bigger one. And thank you for that. because I do plan on baking with my daughter. And I do have one of those cast iron, like a gingerbread shaped pan, you know, for making like pazookies, cookies. Oh my gosh, girl, look at this, you guys. She gave me a little figurine. Oh, this is so cute. I love it, Jen. Thank you so very much. Look at that. It's a gingerbread figurine. So sweet. Okay, and that is everything. Oh my goodness. Thank you, girl, from the bottom of my heart. I love, love, love. Love it all. This is so sweet of you. I so appreciate it. Oh my goodness, this must have taken you some time to do. And yeah, I know you're a busy crafter, and with the holidays here, you know, we're all very busy, and I appreciate you taking the time to even think of me. So, yes, I will put Jen's link in the description box. Show her some love, you guys. She is just so amazing. She does a lot of design team projects, and you guys know her. She is just so amazing, and she's the sweetest person. And I'm so glad that we got to meet on YouTube and chat on Instagram. And honestly, I appreciate you, girly, and your talent. You are amazing. All right, guys, I will see you on my next video. I heart you, girl. Thank you so much.